What's the meaning of clog? Clog. Clog.
Clog. Clog. The word clog can have several meanings depending on the context. In general, it refers to something that blocks or obstructs a pathway or flow, such as a drainage pipe or a congested road. It can also refer to a type of footwear with a thick wooden sole, traditionally worn by workers in certain trades. Clogs are known for their durability and comfort, and some people still wear them today for their practicality and style. Overall, clog denotes an object or situation that impedes progress or movement, either physically or metaphorically.